guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a winter outfits of the week. I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips on how to style the same pieces of items over and over again, but make them look different. So if you guys would like to see the winter outfits that I came up with and the tips I got for you, go ahead and keep on watching. This is the first outfit of the week, and it's definitely one of your more girly outfits because of the pink with the pink, but I really like it. This coat I freaking love. It's actually from Hollister. It's their wool blend dad coat. It's quite oversized. I got this in a size small for size reference. I have it paired with this pink hoodie. It's embroidered on the sides. And the hood part is actually this nice fuzzy material, so it adds extra warmth. And I have this outfit paired with just a black pair of leggings and some white tennis shoes. So this is outfit of the week number 2. It looks a little more formal than the previous one, but it's still super cozy and comfy. I'm wearing the same pair of black leggings that I wore previously with a pair of black booties. This coat is also from Hollister. It's the wool blend coat, just like the last one. However, this one, it's a lot smaller. Like, it's very tight around the arm area. I'm not sure why. It's the exact same coat, just in a different color. But, you know, just an FYI in case you guys are trying to buy it. And under it, I have a crew neck. This is actually my husband's crew neck. It's from Hanes, but it's very nice and baggy and very, like, fleecy on the inside. So I kind of just, like, stole it. So this is the next outfit, and it's definitely a very comfy, chill outfit. The other two were a lot more dressy. So here I'm just wearing a pair of distressed American Eagle jeans. I'm wearing the same pair of white shoes that I wore with the first outfit. And I have the exact same Hanes hoodie, like crew neck, my husband's hoodie from the previous outfit. It's like a very casual, comfy kind of look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat on just so you guys can see how I dress it up. This is the same outfit. I just went ahead and threw on a teddy bear coat, and I think it changes the outfit completely. This teddy coat is also from Hollister. What a shocker. I just think Hollister has like the best coats out there, and the prices are very reasonable for their quality. It's just so nice and fluffy. So this is yet another comfy outfit. I will show you guys how to dress it up just like I did the previous one with a coat. This is the exact same hoodie that I wore on my first outfit. So it's the pink hoodie with the nice embroidered details on the shoulders and with the fuzzy hoodie. And I'm wearing them with the same American Eagle jeans and yet again the same pair of white sneakers from Adidas. I just went ahead and threw on a coat. This is the same Hollister coat that I showed previously, and it completely changes the outfit. So this is a way to like dress it up but not look too dressy. The previous outfit that I showed this coat with, that was like with the gray sweater and the black leggings, the outfit looked a lot more dressy, but this way I'm still wearing the coat, but it looks a lot more, you know, like chill and almost like you didn't even try. This is the last outfit of the week. I am wearing the same teddy coat from Hollister that I've shown previously. And I actually have it paired with an all black outfit. So I have the same pair of black leggings that I've shown previously, the same booties from Nordstrom, and I have this nice sweatshirt, like wool blend sweatshirt from a store called CNA. I think this is definitely one of like the comfier looks. I actually think all of the looks I've shown were really comfy, but it's just something about this teddy coat that every time I wear it, I just feel so like snuggle and like I can go to sleep on it. It's just so amazing, so soft and fuzzy. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys next.